Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Xtreme Solutions Xtreme Suds Car Wash. Alright, so this video is a product sponsored video from Xtreme Solutions. They sent me out this bottle of Xtreme Suds Car Wash. Looking forward to trying this stuff out, seeing how it performs, how it foams out of a foam cannon, what kind of suds does it produce in the wash bucket, lubricity of the soap, and cleaning power of the soap. Real quick, just a few things that they have on their label. Xtreme Suds Car Wash is an extremely versatile product for use in all vehicle washing applications. High foaming surfactants, detergents, water softeners, and soil emulsifiers, which dissolve road film, oil, grease, and dirt while washing away with ease. Directions is just add 2 ounces of Xtreme Suds Car Wash to a clean bucket and fill with water. Agitate water with pressure from hose and watch the suds fill the bucket. So their label is very nice, short and to the point. I do like this little bottle, it's very cool. Their labeling is nice as well. They do have some precautions about the product, warnings and all of that. Just a nice little package. It has a very cool purple color to it. But real quick, with a car wash, I want to do the little sniff test, see what it smells like. So it smells like grapes. It has a very good grape scent. I would say it's more along the lines of a real grape scent than like the fake kind of candy grape scent. So it does smell very good. But I'm going to get everything prepared and ready for the wash. We'll be washing my pickup. And as I mentioned, we're going to see what kind of suds this can produce out of a foam cannon and what kind of suds is in the bucket. It does say just 2 ounces for your wash bucket. Nowhere on here does it say how much for a foam cannon. So I'm going to go ahead and just do 2 ounces in the foam cannon as well, because I feel that 2 ounces really isn't a ton of soap. If you're using 2 ounces in your wash bucket, 2 ounces might be a little bit more in the foam cannon, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 2 ounces foam cannon, and then of course what they recommend for the bucket. So it does have some nice suds. I do feel some good lubricity. You can see it does have smaller suds. It does feel like it has some nice lubricity to it. It foamed up extremely well in the bucket. I absolutely love that foam. Let's see what it'll do out of the foam cannon. Okay, so this stuff is foaming like crazy. I got just a little bit left. We're going to spray that on and I'll bring you in closer. So you can see it is generating a ton of suds. Lots of foam out of the foam cannon. Doing really good. So you can see the ground here. Nice, thick, heavy suds. They're just slowly pulling down the panel, as you can see right here. Doing exactly what you want it to do. It's breaking down and loosening up that dirt underneath. And then I'm going to come in and rinse all this off, and then I will do a contact wash just because this thing was so dirty. But these suds are sticking and clinging to the surface really well, really nice, and they're just pulling off ever so slow, pulling that dirt and all the nasty junk underneath of them away. So it has rinsed away very easily. It has grabbed some of that dirt that was on the surface and pulled it off. We do have still some, as you can see, on the door. It's not as heavy as it was, but there still is some, but that's just like some oily, nasty stuff from the road. And you're not just gonna foam something, rinse it, and be done. You have to do a contact wash. Agitation is key, so you have to come and do a contact wash to agitate the soap to break that stuff down and remove it off the surface. But it has done a nice job removing the heavy stuff that was on the surface, has it cleaned up, so I'll have less of a chance of doing scratches or marring or damage doing my contact wash. So I want to bring you guys in closer as I am doing a hand wash to talk about Lubricity. The Lubricity of the soap right now feels really, really good. It's got a nice, pleasant grape scent to it right now. And it is definitely emulsifying and taking off the road grime that is on this fender. But I am very surprised with the Lubricity on it. It's very nice. It does let the wash mitt glide with ease. It's not hard to push around on the surface. As you can see, there's just one finger there. So definitely really do like the Lubricity of it. Coming around over here to the driver's door, I just want to get a little bit closer so you can see the dirt and how easy this just cuts through it. There's some dirt here. So it's got tremendous cleaning power. Lots and lots of cleaning power. It just cuts right through that dirt, gets rid of it effectively and easily. So I've now got it all washed up. Here is the bucket. Still got suds left. Suds are going strong in the bucket still after washing the whole pickup. As you can see, the paint is clean. It is cut through all that nasty grime that was on it. It is all gone now. And as I showed you, it just cuts through it with ease. It has some really good cleaning and cutting power. Let's go around to the other side where the sun's shining. So here's the driver's side where the sun's hitting it a little bit better. And as you can see, the paint is really clean. There's nothing left on it like there was. It's done a great job. It did good on the windows as well. I don't see any soap scum or residue left behind right now. I do want to get this thing dried off. I'm going to blow dry it to dry up the whole pickup. Alright, so the Xtreme Solutions Xtreme Suds car wash. Personally, I really like this soap. The scent, when you're using it, isn't as much as other soaps. You get a nice light grape scent. And as I was mentioning, it's more of like a real grape scent than like a candy grape scent. But the cleaning power of this soap is really good. It does produce Xtreme Suds. It works very well in the foam cannon. It suds up great in the wash bucket. It is a pH neutral soap, but with the power that it has, it kind of acts like a soap that is not a pH neutral, that is a higher pH soap just because of the cleaning power. But you can tell that it is a pH neutral soap, so this is going to be safe on any kind of paint sealants, carnauba waxes, even ceramic coatings. It is going to be a safe soap to use on anything that you have paint protection on, but with the added benefit of a great cleaning car wash. This soap is really good. I do really like it. I'm definitely going to have to get a bigger bottle than this. I do like the soap. I used it in direct sunlight, and as you saw on the glass, it didn't leave any kind of scum or residue left behind. It rinses very well. One thing I do notice with the foam cannon is the suds really like to cling and stay there. So when I say the suds, I'm not talking about the massive amount that the foam cannon produced and put on the paint. Those did pull off, as you saw, but then there is a nice light film of suds that is sticking and clinging to the paint, adding a lot of lubricity with this soap. I was very surprised with the lubricity and very surprised with the cleaning power of it. Overall, definitely very great product, a 2 thumbs up product for sure. A soap that I really do like and enjoy, and like I mentioned, I am gonna have to pick up a bigger bottle of this because this is a really good soap. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, ring the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. Huge shout out to Xtreme Solutions for sending this product to me to try it out, review it, put a review video on my channel. They wanted me to be 100% honest. This review is 100% honest. This is a really good Xtreme Suds car wash. This is a really great product. But I appreciate all of you guys' support, all the support on the channel with the thumbs ups, subscribing, commenting, everything is absolutely awesome to me. I love seeing the channel grow like it has been doing. Thank you guys so much. You guys are absolutely awesome. You're amazing and you guys rock. And I just really can't say enough, but I appreciate you guys so much. But thank you all for stopping and checking out this video. Hopefully you liked it, found it informative, enjoyed watching it. Maybe saw a product you haven't seen a whole lot on. Maybe you haven't used it, either or. Hopefully you enjoyed it. But thank you so much for stopping and checking out this video, and I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.
Shaka on the beat, 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 Shaka on the beat.